Oh, hello. So I got this dress from the Target clearance. I thought it was super cute. I really like the pattern, and on the hanger, it looks super cute. And I thought it would be a great addition to my wardrobe because I'm going to be starting to work at a preschool. And I thought this gives me preschool teacher vibes for sure. And then I decided to try it on, and it unfortunately wasn't as flattering as I would like. It just doesn't fit my body shape. I'm very curvy and I'm busty. So just the whole shape of this dress was not working. So I had to fix it somehow so that way it was a little bit more flattering for me and my body type. First, I got some chalk, and I figure I can just measure it while I'm wearing it on my body, so that way I can tell where all the cuts are going to be, what the shape is going to look like, and things like that. I figured the collared look was not a good look for me, so I wanted to open it up and make it seem more like a spring dress rather than a business dress. And I also wasn't really sure about the sleeves. I figure I would just cut them off and then see how that would look, or maybe a short sleeve, who knows. And I figured it would be a learning process. Then I was gonna go ahead and make the cut more of an A-line, because A-line is much more flattering for me. And then I'm just gonna mark it there with my chalk, so that way I can get to cutting. First thing I did was get my seam ripper, and I went ahead and seam ripped the sleeves right off of the dress. I later regretted this because I ended up liking the look of a short sleeve instead of a sleeveless, but that's okay, I was able to recover from that. I'm already liking the no sleeves versus the long sleeves. The long sleeves were just not flattering to me at all, but I do like this much better. Now I got to cutting, just following the lines of the chalk that I made earlier when the dress was on my body. I figure I'm going to separate the top from the bottom so that way I can turn it into more of an A-line kind of look, and then I'm going to work on the chest area. So here's the look for the top. I already really like it. I like the cut of it. I feel like it's way more flattering than before. And I'm really enjoying the short sleeves, so I'm gonna add the sleeves back onto that side. And then here is the skirt. So I figure I can bring it up a little bit more, so that way it's more of a knee length rather than a T length, which is more flattering for me because I am short. And then we're just gonna attach those two together, so that way it cinches at my waist, which is the smallest part of my body. And I'm already loving it. I think it's super cute. I can see myself teaching a class or having some tea or something in this. So after I pinned it all together, I went to sewing all of the pieces together so that way it forms one single dress. And here it is so far. I really like it. I like the shape of it. I like how it hugs my body in just the right way. So I think it's really perfect and it's coming along really nicely. But then I realized it doesn't have pockets. So I wanted to add pockets, and that's super easy to add onto these. And luckily I saved the sleeves because, you know, no waste. And I turned the sleeves into pockets really easily. I wanted it to be able to fit my hands because I like putting my hands in pockets, and also big enough to fit a phone. So I figured my hand was a good enough length. I just took some chalk, measured out a shape of a pocket, and I cut them out of both of the sleeves. Once I cut out the pieces, then I just sewed it together so it makes almost like a little bag. Next step is seam ripping right at the seam where I'm going to put the pockets. And it's good because it makes a nice little hiding spot for the pockets. I just have to seam rip it large enough to make the opening as big as I want it, and then I just attach the pocket that I made to the edge and I sewed the edges down. And here is the final look. I really love it now. It's way more flattering on me. I get lots of compliments on it all the time. And the best part is that both sides have pockets. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Be sure to like and subscribe for more DIY content.